Oh, hey guys! Today we are playing Roblox once again. But today, you might be wondering, why the hell do I have a rainbow band hammer? Well, it's because today we are playing Band Hammer Simulator. Now, yes, it is a new game. Okay, get the figure of you. Yes. We are playing a new game called Band Hammer Simulator. You guys might know this game. It's been on the Roblox game page for a long time. Probably only 3 days. And yeah. And here we are. This is animal cruelty. But I don't care because I hate dogs. Ah! And today we are going to be exploring. They may think I'm a noob, but I am not a noob. A lot of items. But who cares about being a noob and items? What is this doing? Somebody dropped their band hammer, or is this, instead of that sword stuck in the ground that nobody can pull out, is this what it is? They turned into a band hammer? Alright, give me that. Alright. What does this do? This hammer might give you superpowers. I don't know. Volcano of Blood. Are you sure this? No. Are you sure this is actually right? Just animal cruelty? Oh, yes, sir, it is. Oh. Oh. Dude. I think getting stabbed with a stick in your arm is pretty painful. So I'd go to a doctor. I don't need to go to a doctor. What's the point? I'm a general. That's the point, because I'll kill you. What? What was that? Oh god, no, fidget spinners! They're dogs! Are you from Russia? Because I don't think so. What the next time will be? Devour your enemy's soul first with this destructive hammer. Holy moly, there's a lot of bands! God. I might kill this wizard. Hey buddy, can you give me some give me some bands, please? Oh, thank you. Pardon me. I'm sorry guys. I wasn't part of the video. I will devour everybody's soul. Hammer time! Hammer time. Do you get it, guys? Stop! Stop! Hammer time! Whoa, whoa, whoa! In case you guys didn't know that meme, I'll show you. Okay, I'm sorry, Chase. But I've got to do it. Stop. Hammer. Stop. Hammer time. Stop. Hammer time. Break it down.
Can't touch this. Break it down. Hammer time.
Alright guys, if you heard me going stop hammer time, this is what it is.
Hammer time.
Stop. Stop. Hammer time. friend. Neil. Dude. This is going on YT. This is going on YouTube. This is going on YT. This is going on YT. This is going on YT. Stop. Stop killing those poor dogs. Stop killing those poor dogs. Alright guys, I'm just gonna keep killing them. Killing them. And killing them. Killing them. And killing them. That's how many pins my boy has. He has a lot of money. Stop. Whoa. Alright guys, I'm sorry. This is a short video, but I'm gonna have to end it here. So, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I dare you, hit it, see if your face turns. Okay, that's dark. Yeah, but yep. Do what I said. I want you. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye guys, have a nice day, and peace out.